Welcome to Zara Beauty Recipe. I'm going to be sharing a special recipe with you on a rice facial wash. This here is white rice. If you go to the market, you ask them, they'll show you this is not the normal parboiled rice we use for our jollof rice or rice and stew. It is called white rice. But anyways, if you don't have this white rice, you can use the parboiled rice. But for this special facial face wash, this white rice is the best. I'm going to wash the dirt off the rice. I'm going to wash it very clean. This rice facial wash, it makes your face very smooth, removes all the wrinkles, black spots, blemishes, and leaves your face smooth, just like a baby's face. After washing it very clean, I'm going to boil it with a lot of water for about 20 minutes. I've put it inside the pot with lots of water. I'm going to boil it for 20 minutes. Now that the rice has cooked for about 20 minutes, I'm going to scoop out this thick water. Just take some water out. You can just make it as small or as much as you want it. I'll just take enough water. So this is enough for me. Here is the rice water. It's already cold. The only thing remaining now, I'm going to add a few drops of vitamin E oil into the white rice water, and then mix thoroughly. Let everything mix very well, and voila, it is ready. Here we have our white rice facial wash. You are to apply after washing your face very clean and allow it to stay for as long as you can before you wash. Preferably you can put it at night, use it as your night cream, sleep with it, and wash your face very clean in the morning. You are advised to do this, if you can, once in the morning and in the night. This particular mixture, you can store it in the fridge for at least 3 days before making a new one. This will help your face look very smooth. It will remove all the wrinkles, remove all the black spots, blemishes, and make your face as smooth as that of a baby. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please click and watch our other interesting beauty and hair care videos, and also click on the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.